Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ayomidegraphix. In this video, we'll be learning how to create a business card. This is the front view as you can see. And now this is the back view of the business card. Without wasting much of your time, let us get into it. Now open your Pixellab, go to background image, change it to white as you can see. Now the next step we are going to do now is to go to image size 91 by 61. Now let us import our image. Go to click the plus from gallery. Now import your image. Now this is the image we are using as you can see. Now you lock it. After locking it, you see. Now let us click draw our shape. Click the shape tool. Now draw your shape. See, that's it. Now we reduce the opacity to 80%. We also lock it as well. Draw on that shape again. Click the shape tool. Draw on that shape again. Now give it color brown as you can see. Now let us give it stroke. Give it another color again. And mark it. That's good. Now let us give it shadow. Scroll as shadow enabled. So that's it. Giving shadow. As you can see, that's our first shape. We are drawing 4 different shapes. Now let us go to the next thing. Let's draw our grid. You see, click that. Now the next thing, you click the grid setting. Grid here, let us set our numbers of grid. Now 10 by 10. That is like ruler to enable us to see what we want to draw, to place our angles, our drawings. That's our shapes very well. Now you rotate, leave it at angle 44 degree. Now we've positioned our shape. We've locked it. Lock it. Click the lock icon there. See. Now let us copy it and change the color of the second shape. Change the color. Now we change the color of the stroke too as well. Now let's place our second shape. Now let's rotate it 45 degree. Now the next thing, let us max it. Let us try to put it behind the shape, then max it. Cut out some parts. Click the max icon there, and let us cut the parts. Now we are done. Click enable. Now let us bring it, make it big. I put it behind the shape there, the first shape. Then the second shape. Let us put it behind the first shape. Now let's click the layer tool to bring it down. Now let's drag it down. Yes, that's it. We drag it down. You see, it's behind the first shape now. See, now let us adjust it, position it well. Now let's lock it. Let's lock it. Now then the next thing is, you see, that's good. That's good. Now let us create our third shape. Let's create our third shape. We go to the layer tool again. Let us copy one of it. Let's copy the second shape. Copy. Let's position the third shape below the design at the left side. Now I think this position is good. The next thing, let us give it a good angle. Let us set a good angle for it. Yeah, the angle, let us rotate it. 18 will be good. 18, yeah, 80 degree will be good. Wow, that's good. Let's lock it. I copy the last shape. You see, this is the fourth one. Let us position it well. Now let us cut out some edge using the max tool. See, bring in the max tool. Let us position it well. Now click the enabled. That's out, not in, out. The max mode should be out. let's try to cut it very well with the mask tool so that it can flow with the third shape there. Wow, as you can see, now we've created our 4 shapes, 2 different colors. As you can see, very neat and good. Now let's move to the next one, importing our elements. Now click the plus icon from gallery. Let us import our QR code. See, give it color white. See, let us adjust it and put it there. Oh, our grid is no more there. Let us set our grid again, 10 by 10. Whoa, as you can see, we're almost there. We're almost done at creating our business card. Let's import our logo. Now let us adjust the size of our logo and put it at the top right corner over there. Now let us add our text. Click in the text icon, that is A. Type your text, then use the font Vigo. Now let's give it size, says 30. Good, would be the right fit for it. Says 30. And let's give it color. Let's give it color. Yes, wow, see, our color is good. So the next thing, let's click on the text icon, that is A, then click plus, then edit. Let us type our tagline, text for the tagline. Give it color. Now let's give it a good font for the tagline. So I'm using ARGH, that is the default font. Now let us give it Italy. Yes, Italy does it. To bend it. Now let's position it well. Now we lock it after we're done. Now let's try to reduce the size of the tagline. That is 17. 17 will be good for the tagline. Wow, as you can see, we are almost there. We're creating our business card. We are getting there. Now let's move to the next thing. I click on the plus icon, then text. Now let us click the pencil icon, that is the edit. Now let us type our text. That is the name. See, it has been typed. Place it at the top right corner there. So that's it. Now let us give it color. See, wow, that's good. Now the next thing, let's give it font. So I'll be using my font. I'll be using Hyper Super Regular. Let's increase the size of the name to, let me say, 45. 45 will be good. Now let us give it stroke. Give it stroke. Let us reduce the stroke. Yeah, the stroke width. We did the stroke width to 2. Wow, look at our design, is looking amazing. Now let us try to give it spacing. The words are closing together. Let us space it 3. Now click the letters and space it 3. Let's increase it to 4. Now the job title of the name. Now we've written it already. We've typed it. Now the size of the job title will be, let me say, 25. Now the font for it will be Amaranth Bold. The next thing, let's create our shape. Let us lock it first, then create our shape. We've locked everything. Now create our shape. Now radius size 54. Let us try to reduce it. Let's position it to the left side. Now let us use relative size to reduce the size. Let's give it of width 4%. Let us move it. Let's move the width. Let's move the width, the relative size. Give it color. You see, let's copy it the same size. Let's copy it and place it by the side. Now let's import our image from gallery. That is the one. I reduce it and give it color. Now position it there. You see. Now let's edit, give it the text. Now write the numbers, use the size 17. Now position it well in front of the element there. That is the icon. Check it very well. That is the ruler. Check it very well so that it can align well. Now bold. Let us make it bold. See, that's good. Now let's import the next icon, in which will be the email. Now let's give it color. Position it to the shape there, and also reduce the size. As you can see, we are almost there. We are creating our business card. Let's continue. Now click the text icon, click the pencil edit and write your text. Reduce the size to 17, text to 17, give it color. After giving color, make it bold and also move it. Let us create our guides again. The grid guide is our ruler. Now you see. Now let us check it to align with the grid icon, the text there. See, try to adjust it to align with the grid. That is the ruler. For the next step, let's import our next icon. That is the telephone. The telephone icon. Click the plus icon from gallery. Then you import your icon as the telephone. Then you give it color. Color. Now shape it, size it. Yes, that's the position. Size it, then position it into the next shape there. Let's write our text. Go of time. You just copy the one that we've written before, copy and paste it. Now let us import our next image. As you are done, let us import our next image. That will be the location icon. Now you give it color. As you can see, let's give it color, then position it. This is the last icon. Let's resize it using relative size to change the width, and just position it well into the shape. Now let's write the address using the text icon. Edit. Then let's see, we've written the address. Now let's try to arrange it well, to resize it well to match with the other text. Wow, that's good. We are almost there. Now let us import the last image, that is the logo. Now let's take the image to the back. Click the layers tool here. Now bring it down, press it down, then drag it down. Bring it down. You see, it's at the back. See, it's at the back of the layer 2. You see. Now let us reduce the opacity. Click on it now. Let us reduce the opacity. Yes, to let's say 40. 40 will be good. Let us increase it to 45. 45 will be good. Now we are done. Now let us save it. Now click on the save icon there. Now you see ultra. You click ultra. Then you save it. Now we are done with the front design. For the back design, you can click the description below to watch the back design. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel to get updates on new video tutorials by clicking the subscribe button. Also click the like button below and give a comment on what you think about this video tutorial. You can also share this video across your socials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.